Khan Academy Algebra, solutions of systems of equations. So this is the introductory lesson, starting the whole systems unit. And basically a system of equations is when you have two equations that you're trying to figure out the x and y that makes both of them true at the same time. So the two together are referred to as a system. You could have 3, 4, 5 equations. As you go further into linear algebra in college, there'll be more. But right now we have two equations with two unknowns, x and y. And we're simply just saying, is the ordered pair 1, 2 a solution to both equations? So remember, x is the first number, y is the second number. And that just means, does it actually work when you plug it in both equations? So let's test it out. So we have the top equation, 2x plus y equals 4. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace x with the 1. And then I'm going to replace the y with the 2. And I'm going to see if that's true. Well, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2. So that one does work. It works in the top one. Now, to work for the system, you have to be able to work into both. So we'll try the second equation. Y equals 3x minus 1. Notice this one's in slope-intercept form. The other one was in standard form. But again, I plug in 1 for x and 2 for y. And I see what I get. And I get 2 equals, well, 3 times 1 minus 1 is 2. So it looks like it works in both. So the correct answer for this one would be yes. Now, if we were to graph these two, they don't ask you on this one, but if we were to graph these two lines, you know, and y equals 3x minus 1 crosses at -1, I'm just going to do a rough sketch. And then when we come back the other way, you know, that one would be, if I moved it around, y equals -2x plus 4. So it's going to kind of come something like that. Well, what this means, this solution, not only do you plug it into both equations and it's true, it's actually the intersection point. So I just kind of want to plant the seed that 1, 2 is a solution, but graphically what that looks like is it looks like the intersection point of the two lines. So I'm just kind of planting the seed for further lessons. All right, moving down, I got another example here. So we have this example. Let's test this one out. So first equation, y equals x minus 2. I'm going to substitute 4 in for x and 2 in for y. So I have 2 equals 4 minus 2. That checks out. That's a true statement. Then I'll try the next one, which is y equals 3x plus 4. And plugging values in, y is 2, x is 4. And this one, no good. 12 plus 4. I get 16 equals 2, which of course is false. So it's a solution to this one. I got a yes for this one, but I got a no for this one. So it's no for the entire system. All right, no solution for the whole system.